Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the S block elements, alkali and alkaline earth metal. Everyone know that general electronic configuration of S block element is NS122. NS122. General electronic configuration of S block elements. NS122. And first A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. Its general electronic configuration is NS1. First A group is known as alkali metal, and oxidation number of alkali metal is +1 and oxidation number of alkaline earth metal is +2. S block elements are strongly reducing. Lithium represents diagonal relationship with magnesium and beryllium with aluminum. Lithium represents the diagonal relationship with magnesium and beryllium represents diagonal relationship with aluminum. Alkali metal combined with halogen to form halides. These are ionic crystalline solid. Carbonate of alkali metals are soluble in water, whereas alkaline earth metal are insoluble in water. Sodium is highly reactive metal. It is stored in kerosene oil. Alkali metals are paramagnetic, but their compounds are dimagnetic. Magnesium sulfate is known as Epsom salt. Calcium sulfate is known as gypsum salt. Order of stability of metal hydroxide is as follow: CSOH, cesium hydroxide, RbOH, KOH, NaOH, LiOH, BaOH का होल ट्वाइस, SrOH का होल ट्वाइस, CaOH का होल ट्वाइस, MgOH का होल ट्वाइस. Order of stability of metal sulfates is as follow: BeSO4, MgSO4, CaSO4, SrSO4, BaSO4. Density of alkali metals decreases from lithium to cesium through weight of potassium is greater than weight of sodium. Hydration energy of alkali metal decreases on moving down in the group. Its value increases from left to right in a period. Heat of hydration of second group is greater than heat of hydration of first group. Order of conductivity of ions of alkali metals in aqueous solution is as follow: although ionization potential of lithium is highest, still due to very high hydration energy, it is a strong reducing agent. Compounds of alkali earth metals are less ionic than the compound of alkali metals. Solution of alkali metal is liquid ammonia is a conductor of electricity. Blue color of the solution is due to emanated electrons in concentrated solution. Blue color changes to bronze color. Alkali metals form normal oxides, peroxides and superoxides. Their order of stability is normal oxide is greater than peroxide is greater than superoxide. Oxide of alkali metals react with water to form alkali metal hydroxide due to high hydration energy. These are soluble in water and large amount of energy is released. Na2CO3 is known as soda ash and Na2CO3 10H2O is known as washing soda or salt soda. It is manufactured by Solvay process. 28% NaCl according to mass aqueous solution is known as brine. NaSCO3 is known as baking soda. Some difference in property of alkaline earth metal with alkali metals is due to their small atomic or ionic radius and high positive charge. Plaster of Paris POP CaSO4 half H2O is obtained on heating gypsum to 120 degrees Celsius. Normal composition of Portland cement is 70% CaO, 18% SiO2, 5% Al2O3, 3% Fe2O3 and 2% MgO. To slow down its setting process, some amount of gypsum is mixed in it. Here, this is the general information about the S block elements, alkali and alkali earth metals. Firstly, objective type question: plaster of Paris is, do you know what is the plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris. What is the formula of plaster of Paris? Do you know? Please write down at the comment box. What is the formula of plaster of Paris? And second question is that lowest melting point compound, LiCl, NaCl, RbCl, CSCl. What is the lowest melting point compound LiCl is the lowest melting point compound. The next question is active constituents of bleaching powder CaOCl2. CaOClCl. Active constituent of bleaching powder CaOClCl. Solution of sodium in liquid ammonia is reducing due to following reason: Na atom, NaH, NaNH2, E electron NH3 3-. Do you know solution of sodium in liquid ammonia is reducing due to following reason? The answer is E electron NH3X. So this is a lot of information about that. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, alkali metal oxide is lithium oxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide, rubidium oxide, cesium oxide. Beryllium oxide, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, strontium oxide, barium oxide. The hydroxide of this group: lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide, cesium hydroxide. The hydroxide of alkaline earth metal: BOH whole twice, MgOH whole twice, CaOH whole twice, SrOH whole twice, BaOH whole twice, carbonate, beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, strontium carbonate, barium carbonate, lithium carbonate, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, rubidium carbonate, cesium carbonate. This is the carbonate: lithium sulfate, sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate, rubidium sulfate, cesium sulfate. Beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, strontium sulfate, barium sulfate. This is the general electronic formula of oxides, hydroxides, carbonate and sulfate. Everyone can know that. We discuss about the order of basicity of oxides: Li2O, Na2O, K2O, Rb2O, CH2. Order of stability of carbonate: Li2CO3 is greater than Na2CO3, greater than K2CO3, greater than Rb2CO3, CH2CO3. This is the order of stability of carbonate, and we can discuss about the order of stability of metal hydroxide is as follow: cesium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, NaOH, lithium hydroxide. We can discuss about these are the a lot of thanks for S block elements, alkali and alkali earth metals.